Today, I'm revealing the best money-saving hacks at Sam's Club. Some you can use even without a membership. I shop here all the time, and I've learned their secrets, price tag codes, the best days for markdowns, and how to get a membership for almost nothing. Whether you're prepping or just stocking up for your family, these tips will save you serious cash. I've got 12 hacks that will change how you shop forever. Watch until the end. The last tip could save you hundreds this year. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's dive into the secret language of Sam's Club price tags. A code that can save you serious money if you know what to look for. Most people walk right past these clues, but once you know how to read them, you'll never shop the same way again. The first thing to spot is the yellow clearance tag. When you see a yellow tag, it's not just a sale, it's the lowest price that item will ever be. The store is clearing it out, and you're getting the absolute best deal possible. Next, check the price endings. If you see a price that ends in 0.01, that's your cue to act fast. This is the rock bottom price, the final markdown before the product disappears. These deals don't last long, so if you spot one, don't hesitate. Grab it before someone else does. There's another secret code to watch for, the D1 marking on shelf labels. This little code means the item has been sitting on the shelf for a while and is primed for a markdown. It's a sign that a price drop is coming or has just happened, so keep your eyes peeled for these. Don't get distracted by flashy signs or big displays. The real savings are hidden in the details: yellow tags, 0.01 price endings, and D1 codes. These are the clues that most shoppers overlook, but they're your ticket to huge savings. Think of shopping at Sam's Club as a treasure hunt. Every aisle is packed with hidden gems, and if you know how to decode the price tags, you'll find deals that others miss. It's not just about filling your cart, it's about scoring the best bargains in the store. For example, I once found a $40 box of protein bars for just $19.91, more than half off, simply because I recognized the yellow tag and the 0.01 ending. That's the kind of win you can expect when you know the code. Most shoppers walk right by these deals completely unaware, but now, you're in on the secret. You're not just another shopper, you're an insider who knows exactly where to look and what to look for. So, as you scan the aisles, keep your eyes open for those hidden clues. With a little practice, you'll be able to spot markdowns from a mile away and build a stockpile of essentials for a fraction of the price. This is just the first hack, but it's a total game changer. Mastering the price tag code will transform the way you shop and help you save big every single trip. Get good at reading these signs, and you'll walk out with more for less every time. It's like having a superpower in the world of warehouse shopping. So, remember, yellow tags, 0.01 prices, and D1 labels are your keys to unlocking the best deals. Ready to level up your savings? Let's keep going. Hack 2, the legendary $5 rotisserie chicken. This is one of the best kept secrets in warehouse shopping, and it's a deal that's almost too good to be true. For just $5, you get a whole, hot, ready-to-eat chicken, and it's become a cult favorite for a reason. Here's the wild part. Sam's Club actually loses money on every single chicken they sell at this price. Why? Because they know the irresistible smell and unbeatable value will get you in the door, and once you're inside, you're likely to pick up a few extra things you didn't plan on buying. That's why they always put the rotisserie chickens way in the back of the store. You have to walk past aisles of tempting snacks, bulk deals, and seasonal displays just to get to them. It's a clever strategy designed to make you spend more. But here's the pro move. Don't fall for it. Head straight to the back, grab your chicken, and resist the urge to toss extra items in your cart. Stick to your list and you'll outsmart their marketing tricks. The real magic of this $5 chicken is how far it can stretch. One bird can easily be transformed into several delicious meals for you and your family, saving both time and money throughout the week. Start by enjoying the legs and wings fresh and hot for dinner the first night. These are always a favorite and require zero prep. Then shred the breast meat for easy lunches like chicken tacos, wraps, or a hearty chicken salad. It's perfect for meal prepping and keeps things interesting. Don't toss the carcass. Simmer it with some veggies and spices to make a rich homemade chicken broth. This adds flavor to soups, stews, and rice dishes, and it's practically free. With just one $5 bird, you can prep multiple meals and even stock your fridge or freezer with homemade broth for future recipes. It's a huge value for such a small price. This is the ultimate meal prep hack. saving you money, time, and effort all week long. You'll have ready-to-go meals and ingredients at your fingertips. If you're serious about stretching your grocery budget, stock up on these chickens when you can. They're a stockpiler's dream, letting you build up your pantry and freezer with minimal effort. Don't just think of it as buying dinner, think of it as building your pantry, one meal and one jar of broth at a time. You'll be ready for anything. This is smart shopping at its best, delicious, versatile, and budget-friendly. Next time you see that $5 chicken, you'll know exactly how to make the most of it. Want even more value? Skip the rotisserie and check the freezer for raw whole chickens. Compare price per pound. Raw is almost always cheaper. Yes, you cook it yourself, but you get more meat and total control over flavor. Buy several on sale, break them down, and freeze portions for later. Shred, roast, grill, or slow cook. Endless options. This is how you build a serious protein stash for less. The rotisserie is convenient, but raw chicken is the real value play. Don't just follow the crowd, detour to the freezer aisle, your wallet will thank you. Meat lovers, listen up. Clearance meat is your jackpot. If you're looking to stretch your grocery budget without sacrificing quality, this is the secret you need to know. Grocery stores often have to move meat quickly as it approaches its sell-by date, and that's where you can score big savings. Look for orange or yellow, reduced for quick sale stickers. These mean huge discounts, sometimes up to 75% off. These stickers are your golden ticket to premium cuts at a fraction of the price. Don't be shy about scanning the meat section for these deals. They're often tucked away on lower shelves or in a special clearance bin. The best time to find these deals? First thing in the morning. Most stores restock and mark down meat overnight, so arriving early gives you first pick of the freshest markdowns before anyone else even gets a chance. Managers mark down meat close to its sell-by date overnight. This is when you'll find the biggest variety and the deepest discounts, especially on premium cuts that might otherwise be out of your price range. Get there early for the best selection. If you wait until later in the day, the best deals might already be gone, snapped up by other savvy shoppers. Once you score, freeze or cook it right away. Don't let it go to waste. Meat that's close to its sell-by date is still perfectly good if you handle it promptly, so plan your meals or make space in your freezer. Use a vacuum sealer to keep it fresh for months. Vacuum sealing locks in flavor and prevents freezer burn so you can enjoy your bargain finds long after you buy them. Buy low, preserve, and build your stockpile. Over time, you'll have a freezer full of high-quality meat, all purchased at a fraction of the regular price. Clearance meat is how you eat well on a budget. You can serve delicious, hearty meals to your family without breaking the bank, and you'll never have to settle for less. So set your alarm, grab your shopping bag, and raid that meat department. With a little strategy and timing, you'll be amazed at how much you can save and how well you can eat. Don't fall for the convenience trap. Always check the unit price. Sam's Club offers smaller packages for convenience, but they cost more per unit. The biggest size almost always gives you the best deal. Compare cents per ounce or dollars per pound on the shelf tag. Don't be fooled by a lower sticker price on a smaller pack. If you're serious about saving, buy as big as you can store. This applies to everything: coffee, rice, detergent, you name it. Ignore the main price. Focus on the unit price. Do the math, save a fortune. Buy big, save big. Want the best clearance deals? Shop on Wednesdays. By midweek, managers know what's not selling and mark it down to clear space for weekend stock. Wednesday morning is prime time for yellow-tagged clearance on everything from clothes to electronics. Skip the weekend crowds and get first pick. Combine this with early meat markdowns for maximum savings. Make Wednesday your main shopping day. It's not luck, it's strategy. Play the game smart and score the best deals. Here's a psychological trick: price anchoring. Sam's Club puts expensive electronics at the entrance to reset your sense of what's expensive. After seeing a $3,000 TV, everything else feels cheap. Don't fall for it. Ignore the front displays and stick to your budget. Your reference point should be your needs, not their marketing. Be a mindful shopper, not a manipulated one. Stay focused on your list and your wallet. Don't let their tricks loosen your spending. Electronics can be a goldmine if you know where to look. Skip the new models at the front, hunt for last year's models, floor models, or open box items on end caps. Look for yellow clearance tags. These can mean hundreds off. Ask employees about open box or clearance deals. Sometimes the best finds aren't even on display. Buy the second latest tech for a fraction of the price. I once scored a gaming laptop for 40% off just by asking. Be proactive, do a little detective work, and you'll find incredible deals. Electronics can be your best friend if you shop smart. The Scan & Go app is super convenient. Scan, pay, and skip the line. But it can make you overspend since you don't feel the total adding up. Set a budget before you start scanning and watch your total in the app. Sometimes there are exclusive Scan & Go deals. Use the app for those. If you want to support employees or avoid impulse buys, use the regular checkout. Scan & Go is a tool. Use it strategically, not mindlessly. Don't let convenience cost you extra. Be deliberate with every purchase. Use the app for speed or deals, but stay disciplined. Sometimes old-fashioned checkout saves you money. Here's a huge hack. No membership needed for the pharmacy. By law, anyone can use Sam's Club Pharmacy, and their prices are often way lower than other pharmacies. Just tell the door greeter you're going to the pharmacy. They have to let you in. Many generics are just $4 for a 30-day supply. Check their prices before filling prescriptions elsewhere. Sometimes you can buy over-the-counter meds at the pharmacy counter too. This tip can save you hundreds. Spread the word. Use Sam's Club Pharmacy, membership or not. No membership? You can still shop online at samsclub.com. Non-members pay a 10% surcharge, so do the math to see if it's still a deal. For big-ticket items you can still save a lot, even after the fee. Use this for occasional purchases or to test the waters before joining. Watch for online-only specials. Always factor in the surcharge. It's a great way to access deals without a full-year commitment. Here's the ultimate hack. Never pay full price for a membership. There are always promos for $25, $15, even $5 memberships on sites like Groupon. Search Sam's Club membership deal before signing up. If you're a past member, wait 6 months after your membership lapses to qualify as new again. Or alternate memberships with a spouse using different emails. This way, you'll never pay full price. For the cost of a coffee, you unlock all the savings. Don't pay $50, wait for a deal and join for less. It's the best investment for big savings. That's it. 12 Sam's Club hacks to save you serious money. We cracked price codes, mastered the chicken, and found the cheapest memberships. Which team are you? Sam's Club or Costco? Drop a comment below. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching. Now go out and save. See you next time.